Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to boost your post on Instagram. So let's get into it. First of all, open Instagram. Click on your profile at the bottom right corner. Click the post you want to boost. Then click Boost Post. Keep in mind, Instagram recommends only boosting posts with images smaller than 8 MB to ensure the best quality. Fill in the details of your ad by setting things like goal. What results you'd like from this ad? Tap Next. Audience. Who you want to reach. Then tap Next. Budget and duration. How much you want to spend daily and how long you want your ad to run. Tap Next once you've completed these details. Complete your boosted post by clicking Boost Post under Review. From there, your ad will be submitted to Instagram for review and begin running once it's approved. So that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.